Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Mr. Paul Aninion. Today, I'm excited to start my series about 5 different technologies that we use in our everyday lives. In this series, I'll be explaining each technology one by one, what it is, why it's useful, and the advantages and disadvantages it gives us. This video is all about first technology on my list, so make sure to watch until the end to learn something new. So get ready, relax, and let's begin. Hi guys, for today's video, let's talk about one of my technologies we have at home. This technology gives us easier to finish everything we want in a short period of time. So before we tackle more of this technology, let me show you what technology I was talking about. This thing called mower machine. So let's get the mower. Let's go guys. As you can see, this is a machine and this tank of gasoline, and this one is switch on and off, and after we pull this thing to on the mower, and this one is a cable tie to cut the grass. The purpose of this mower machine is to cut grass to uniform and even height for maintenance, tidiness, and the health of the lawn. It's achieved this by using one of more revolving blades to trim the grass, which can be powered manually by electricity or by a gasoline engine. Mowers are used for public areas like parks, private gardens, and professional landscaping. Can also handle trimming weeds or shrubs. This mower is a gasoline engine. So let's talk about advantages and disadvantages of having a mower machine. Advantages of mower machine. Mower machine saves time and efforts by cutting grass more efficiently. Promote healthier grass by encouraging stronger shoots to flourish, and improve yard aesthetic immediately. Disadvantages of having mower machine. Noise and air pollution. Gas-powered mowers produce significant noise and exhaust emissions. Next disadvantage. Cost. Mower have a high initial purchase price and require ongoing expenses for fuel, maintenance, and repairs. Now let's turn on our mower machine and pull. This is the mower machine looks like.
Bing bang bing, bing bing bang, bam bam bang, bing bang bing, bing bang bing, bam bam.
So hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm going to talk about the second one, the big and powerful gadget, the Bluetooth speaker. It's a perfect for parties, outdoor hangouts, or even just listening to your favorite song at home. The advantages of a big Bluetooth speaker is many. First, it produces a strong and powerful sound, which is great for parties and outdoor events. Second, it's easy to connect with different devices like phones and laptops. Third, it usually has a long battery life, so you can enjoy music for hours without charging. So now, however, there are also a few disadvantages. Since it's big, it's not easy to carry everywhere. It also takes longer to charge, and sometimes it can be a heavy bit. So now, let me show you the big Bluetooth speaker. So first, this charger of my Bluetooth, and this on and off, and this is a volume like bass, mic, and this one is a next and stop. This is a USB to music your Bluetooth. And this one is to plug your forget it, your microphone to sing in the parties or in anything. And that's all. So that's all for my vlog about big Bluetooth speaker. But don't go yet. I still have another tech vlog coming up next. So make sure you watch it. See you tomorrow. Hi guys. Our next technology we will tackle this time is all about gas stove. Nowadays, gas stove is very common for some of us. Using gas stove give us convenient on cooking food. Much quicker to finish cooking rather than the traditional way of using woods for cooking. Very convenient and much easier. No pressure when it comes rainy seasons or rush hour. You can cook anytime with hard time. A gas stove's primary function is use an open flame for natural gas or LPG to cook food on a stove. Providing instant, controllable heat, it allows users to quickly adjust between high and low heat for various cooking methods like searing and simmering. Maintains a set temperature by cycling the flame on and off. Ignition is achieved through electronic ignition or standing pilot light. The key advantages of a gas stove, also known as a gasol stove. a superior cooking control, fast heating, and reliable performance during power outages. Butane gas stove offers similar benefits in a more portable form, making them suitable for camping and outdoor cooking. Disadvantages of a gas stove include potential gas leaks, the release of indoor air pollutants that can give you respiratory issues, and safety concerns like burns and fires. They can also be more difficult to clean and may have lower energy efficiency energy. They can also be more difficult to clean and may have lower energy efficiency compared to alternatives like induction stoves. Health and safety concerns. Air pollution. Gas stove release pollutants such as nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and particulate matter, which can irritate lungs and worsen respiratory problems. Fire and explosion risks. The risks of a gas leaks, open flames, and leaks of flammable gas can lead to potential fire or explosion hazards. When you're hungry, just open your tank, turn on your stove, and you're cooking. Minutes after your food is ready. That's all for our gas stove technology. So hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm going to talk about something we all use almost every day, a headset. Whenever it's for studying, gaming, listening to music, or talking with friends, headsets have become an important part of our daily lives. So now, let's talk about the purpose of this headset. The main purpose of this headset is to allow us to listen to audio privately and communicate clearly without disturbing others. It helps us focus on what we are hearing, especially when we are is in noisy place or attending online classes and meetings. Now, the advantages. One of the biggest advantages of using a headset in comfort and convenience. It lets us enjoy clear sound quality and makes online communication easier. Headsets also helps us multitask. For example, we can talk hands-free while doing other things, and they are great for entertainment, study, and works. And the last is the disadvantages. However, using headset for too long can cause some problems. Listening at a volume may damage our ears and lead to hearing loss. Wearing them for many hours can also cause discomfort or ear pain. That's why it's important to use them properly and take breaks. So that's all for today's vlog. Headsets are truly useful gadget when used wisely. I hope you learned something new. So see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Pagbangon tayo. Para kanino ka bumaba?
Hi everyone. welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm going to talk about a simple but very invention, the lighter. It may look small, but actually a great example of how technology helps us in our daily lives. So great. So, let's get started. Let's go. So now, let's talk about the purpose of this lighter. The main purpose of a lighter is to produce fire easily and quickly. People use it to light candles, stoves, cigarettes, and even campfires. It's designed to make fire starting safer and more convenient than using matches or other traditional methods. So now, let's proceed to the advantages of this lighter. One of the best advantages of a lighter is that it's easy to use. You just press and click it and fire appears instantly. It's also portable so you can bring it anywhere. Lighters can be relieved or reused, which makes them practical and cost efficient. However, lighters is also have disadvantages. They can also dangerous if not handled properly because they produce fire. Children should never play with them. Also, disposable lighters can use environmental problems. If you throw away carelessly, since they are made of plastic and metal. So now, that's all for today's vlog about the lighter. A small but powerful piece of technology that makes our life easier. Always remember to use safety. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. So a mower is a tool that cuts grass and help keeps the yard clean. A speaker is a device that makes sound loud so the people can hear music or voice. A stove is used for cooking food and heating meals. A headset is worn on the head to listen to sound or talking to someone without noise around you. A lighter, a lighter is a small tool that makes a flame to light candles or start fire. This thing keeps our daily life tasks easier. Thank you.